Okay, so a possum moved into my closet. This is not a proud moment. I don't know how he got in, and I don't know how to get him out. I could just conceivably pull him out in his bag, because he's living in a bag. He's a bag possum in my freaking closet. Bag possum! You can't live in my closet, buddy! No! Shit! He scowled at me! He is a potentially dangerous possum that should be in my closet, but I took it out because the possum's in my closet. I know. I see you! I hear you. You sound crazy. That is very terrifying sound. It is. It's a terrifying sound, but you're relatively cute. Oh my god. I believe we have him out. Why are you in a bag? You're so intriguing. Stay there. Oh boy. Holy crap. Possum. Ah, Jesus Christ! Do not poke the possum. What on earth is all around you? Like, ugh. I don't get you. Shh. Look! Baby possum. It's just a little baby in there. Oh my god, it's the cutest thing I ever saw. It's you and your little guys. What should we do with you? I don't want you in my closet, but I don't know. How many are there? There's a lot, hey? There's a lot.
So my phone died and I got a lot done, like kidnapping half of your babies in that creepy plastic bag that you probably birthed them in. I put them in the rabbit hutch. You just have to get in the basket and I will take you to them. It's a win-win. I can wait all day long. All day long, Mama. Okay, so I'm just letting the possum take her time getting into the basket, getting out of the closet. I hope she's gonna take the bait. She's coming out by herself. Oh my god, I bet you she's looking for her babies. Oh my gosh. And she's coming to judge my clutter room. Are you judging? No judgment. Look man, you have a built-in closet. You're a marsupial. You can put your clutter in your pouch. What is that? What is that noise? Oh my god, that's possum talk. She's like, where are you, 7th, 8th, and 9? And they're like, over here in the rabbit hutch. Oh, one big step for possum kind. Go, Mama. That clicking thing seems so foolproof, but you can't figure out the door? The door is over there, it's to the left, it's wide open. Deus ex machina, machine of the gods. You are being rescued by a mysterious force. You will never understand.
You made it! You made it, Mama, we did it! We got your babies all out! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, I think it's 8 or 9.
Now that's clutter. But I gotta say, you know, you carry everything in your world on your back and in your pouch. Oh, no, you got something on your nose. Oh, no, just to the right.
Wow.
Hey, Mama from another Mama. Oh, I'm gonna miss you. You taught me a lot. Just take 3rd all the way to Beverly Hills. Bye, Mama. Bye, babies.